Pinterest offers lucrative opportunities for bloggers, influencers, and e-commerce businesses alike. The most effective money-making strategies on this platform depend on your specific business goals and approach. For e-commerce and product-focused businesses, Pinterest is ideal for capturing the attention of potential customers in their research phase. A significant 85% of Pinterest users, referred to as pinners, start new projects on the platform, making it perfect for showcasing products and inspiring potential buyers. To start earning through affiliate marketing on Pinterest, begin by researching and joining relevant affiliate programs within your niche. Select products or services that align closely with the interests of your audience. Craft compelling pins that showcase these offerings using high-quality images and persuasive descriptions. Include your unique link in the pin descriptions so that when users click through and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Establish a strong presence on Pinterest by consistently sharing valuable and engaging content tailored to your audience's interests. Brands are attracted to influencers with active and engaged followers. You can either reach out to brands directly or wait for them to approach you based on your Pinterest presence. Negotiate terms for sponsored pins, including payment, pin frequency, and content guidelines. Always disclose sponsored content clearly to maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Showcase your expertise and services through Pinterest by creating pins that highlight your skills. For instance, if you offer graphic design services, feature your portfolio through visually appealing pins. If you provide coaching or consulting, share valuable tips and success stories that demonstrate your expertise. Use clear and compelling call to action or CTAs in your pin descriptions to direct users to your website or contact information for inquiries. If you operate an online store, leverage Pinterest to promote your products effectively. Create visually appealing pins that showcase your products and optimize them with relevant keywords. Utilize rich pins or product pins to display real-time pricing and availability information directly on Pinterest. Pin directly from your product pages to drive traffic and potential customers to your e-commerce site. Build your influence on Pinterest by consistently sharing high-quality and relevant content related to your niche. Engage actively with your audience by responding to comments and messages, fostering a community around your brand. Collaborate with brands that resonate with your audience and negotiate compensation for promoting their products or services authentically. Maintain authenticity in your endorsements to preserve credibility with your followers. Utilize Pinterest to establish your authority and attract clients for consulting services. Create informative and educational pins that address common challenges or topics within your industry. Demonstrate your expertise by offering practical solutions and insights. Incorporate compelling CTAs in your pin descriptions, inviting users to contact you for personalized consulting services tailored to their needs. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged viewers.